Okay, so this episode features a character named Lydia, whose father has the unique ability to fix broken things, not just material objects like watches, but also time itself. He can use his skills to give people extra hours, days, or even years. But he's very secretive about this gift and only uses it for people he deems worthy. One day he gives his daughter a golden pocket watch and tells her that it's hers to keep, but warns her that time isn't something we can possess. We can only borrow it. Confused by what he means, she puts the watch on and goes about her life. Sometime later, after having an argument with her best friend, she wishes she could undo it. And as she holds the golden watch, it starts to glow and the hands move backwards. Before she knows it, she is back at the start of the conversation with her friend, and she seizes the opportunity to say what she should have originally over the next few weeks. She becomes increasingly tempted to use the watch's powers to fix everything that bothers her, whether it's a physical mishap or a social faux pas. But each time she does, she begins to feel a strange sensation and soon discovers that she is getting older much faster than she should be. She also notices a silver hair in her reflection. Frightened by what she's learnt, she rushes to her dad for help, but he simply tells her that she broke the rules and must pay the price. So now she has to decide whether to keep her youth or reverse the damage she's done. Well, I thought this episode had some intriguing ideas about the nature of time and the consequences of trying to control it. I also liked the protagonist because she wasn't perfect. She made mistakes and had to deal with the repercussions that made her more realistic and relatable. However, I think the story could have been better if it had focused on building suspense rather than info dumping. For example, when Lydia uses the golden watch to rewind time, we do truly get a sense of how much time she has actually reversed or what the limits of her power are. This could have created more tension and made the story more exciting. Additionally, the ending feels rushed and not fully developed. Lydia suddenly realizes the error of her ways and decides to stop using the watch's power. But we do get to see how this affects her life, or whether she learns anything from the experience. Overall, while the concept is interesting, I think the execution could have been improved with some tweaks to the pacing and character development. If you enjoyed this episode and want to support us, please consider liking and subscribing. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you more great content in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.